In today's video, I'm going to teach you docusign, how to add checkboxes in a group, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to place checkboxes, make them required, and use checkbox groups so signers select exactly what you need. First, sign into your DocuSign account. Once you're on the home screen, click Start and upload the document you want to send. Give DocuSign a moment to process the file, then add your recipients by entering their details like name and email address. If you have multiple recipients, make sure the routing order matches how you want the document to flow. When that's set, click Next to open the document editor. On the left side, look for the Standard Fields panel, find the checkbox field and click it, then drag and drop it exactly where you want it to appear in the document. You can resize and nudge it for a precise fit. If this single checkbox must be selected by the signer, open its properties and turn on required. That ensures the signer can't finish without interacting with it. Often you'll need a set of checkboxes that work together, like select one or select at least one. For that, create a group, place all the checkboxes you need, then select each one and assign them to the same group name in the Properties panel. Under validation or group rules, set what you want. For example, require at least one selection, exactly one, or a specific minimum and maximum. This is the best way to make a choice mandatory across multiple options while controlling how many boxes can be checked. For clarity, add text labels next to the checkboxes. You can place short descriptions or option names right beside each box so signers know exactly what they're choosing. Keep labels concise and consistent across the group. If you're adding several checkboxes, select them and use the alignment tools to keep everything tidy. Align left or right, match their sizes, and use distribute spacing to make the layout look professional. Zoom in to fine-tune placement and avoid overlapping fields. When you're happy with the setup, click Save and Finish. You can send the document right away or preview it to double-check the signer experience. If you plan to reuse this layout, consider saving it as a template so you don't have to rebuild the group each time. That's it. You've learned how to add checkboxes, make them required, and build checkbox groups with validation in DocuSign.